Totoo po ba at saan nanggagaling ang healing power na isinasagawa ng mga pastor at iba't ibang churches? Epektibo po ba 'yon?
Alam nyo,
Salamat.
pagka-healing power, you are asking me of healing power. Where do they originate? Where do they come from? The healing power of the pastors. Actually, wala namang healing power siya mga pastor eh. Healing comes from God. God claims healing. Healing is His work. In Deuteronomy chapter 32, verse 39, God says this, and please listen to this in Tagalog.
Tingnan ninyo ngayon na ako sa makatwid bagay, ako nga, at walang Diyos sa akin. Ako'y pumapatay at ako'y bumubuhay. Ako'y sumusugat at ako'y nagpapagaling at walang makaliligtas sa aking kamay.
See now that even I am He, and there is no God with me, says the Lord. I kill, I make alive, I wound, and I heal. Neither is there any that can deliver out of my hand. I wound and I heal, according to Him. Therefore, the healer is our God. The healer is the Lord. The power of healing is in Him. In the first century of the Christian era, He uses man to be an instrument of His healing power. But now, these miracles and this healing power that were endowed or given to the first century Christians are being imitated by pastors of Satan in our times, claiming that they also can heal sicknesses and diseases amongst people. Pero yan po isang malaking, that's a very big deceit. That's a blatant lie. Kasi look at these fellowships that are doing their services in Diloneta, in Amoranto, in so many places in the Philippines. They claim that they can heal people with faith. But those people who came 4 hours before they started their services, who came in the wheelchair, after 6 hours of clapping, will go home with the wheelchair also. How can you now claim if you really have your a thin face? Hindi makapal? How can you claim that you heal people when people in your congregations are with the wheelchair, with so many apparatus in their person because of their inability to walk or to go around, in spite of the claim that of their preachers that they can heal sicknesses? I do not believe so. Sometimes they deceive people and claim that they have healed a particular person, which they have contracted before the show goes to the air. Pretend that you are ano yung pipi? Ano nga yung pipi? Kinukontrata eh. Kunyari pipi ka, tapos mamaya magsasalita ka na. Kunyari pilay ka, mamaya lalakad ka na. Niloloko lang mga tao niyan, di totoo yan mga kapatid. At kung magkatotoo man yan, Singapore, are you listening?
Yeah.
Magkatotoo man yan, that is the work of the devil. Alam nyo, healing comes from God, not from anybody else, according to the Bible.